Hi, my name is Phil Bilodeau. I'm Deputy Director of General Services here in Concord. General Services, what I like to say is public works on steroids. We at General Services take care of the streets and roads. We also take care of the sewer collection system and the water distribution system, the water treatment plant, the wastewater treatment plant, and we take care of equipment, we take care of buildings and properties. We maintain the ice arena, and we also maintain the airport. So we've got quite a diverse group of folks here. We're about 140 to 145 people strong year-round, with a group of maybe 10 or 12 winter temps that we bring in.
My name is Bob LeBrew. I'm the fleet manager for the City of Concord, and here we are in the city's Central Vehicle Maintenance Facility, what we commonly refer to as the COMF, or Combined Operations and Maintenance Facility. This is the M in that COMF. This is the maintenance part of it. And this is where all city-owned motor vehicles and equipment are maintained.
All sizes of equipment gets taken care of here. We maintain the city's fleet of about 240 pieces of equipment. Again, the diversity of the equipment is in this building. Little road sweepers, variable message boards, hot top wagon, plows and things of nature, but we also take care of all the police cars and all the fire vehicles.
We'll see, fire trucks, ambulances, dump trucks, front-end loaders, road graders, sidewalk tractors, you name it. They all come here to get maintained. And in addition to maintenance here, we also do some welding and fabrication. Behind that wall is a welding and fabrication shop, which we keep separate due to flash from welders and so forth. We also have in here a radio shop, and we have a communications technician who's part of our organization, who maintains all of the city's two-way radios, to include police, fire, general services, parks and recreation, engineering, and the base stations, as well as the portables or handheld units, as well as the mobile units or vehicle-mounted units. Almost all the city-owned vehicles have two-way radios in them.
Everybody also would remember that we take care of the streets both in the summer sweeping and in the winter snow plowing and salting and sanding to make sure everything.
Throughout the shop, you'll see different aspects of vehicles being worked on. Some are in here for minor maintenance, preventive maintenance, things as simple as an oil change and a grease job, something like a headlight change, but you're also going to see things like rear axle changeouts, clutch jobs, transmission work, some engine work. You're going to see the whole variety of different types of maintenance that gets done here. Also, in a separate building across the parking lot, we have our own body shop and paint booth. So we do most of our own paint and body work in-house. And again, that's all part of this organization, all part of General Services Department, even though we do all the vehicles, not just General Services vehicles.
We have another crew of property folks. They take care of all the city buildings, not the school buildings and not the fire buildings, but all the other city buildings, City Hall, the Green Street Community Center. So we do painting and maintenance, and you may recall that the Green Street Community Center gets shut down for a 2-week period in the summertime so that they can redo the gymnasium floor. That's the sort of thing that our staff does.
As you can imagine, we spend a pretty fair amount of money fueling these vehicles, both gasoline and diesel fuel. We've taken some initiatives to curb our appetite, if you will, for fuel. And a few years back, we initiated a citywide reduction in fuel consumption, and that was accomplished several ways. Reduced idling, specifying vehicles which consume less fuel when we buy vehicles, paying attention to tire pressure, things of this nature that all enhance fuel economy. Also, we were able to obtain a grant through the Office of Energy Planning to equip 8 vehicles with what's called the Idle Right device. It's idle reduction technology. So we're pretty excited about that. That's been working out pretty well. That saves fuel. Another thing, just very, very recently, through another grant, the city was able to convert 2 small cargo vans to run on compressed natural gas rather than gasoline. And although the anticipated miles per gallon stays about the same, the cost of natural gas for vehicles is about 1/3 less than that of gasoline. So that's May not be a big savings in consumption, but certainly a big savings in the cost of fuel and also reduced emissions. It's very much a cleaner running vehicle on compressed natural gas.
I've been here for a number of years and very happy to say that I enjoy the diversity of what we do, and it gives us the opportunity to understand what our customer really likes. Is it someone driving down our street? Is it a tourist visiting downtown? Is it the merchants downtown that want the solid waste picked up appropriately? We deliver potable water and take away the waste in many areas, both solid waste and liquid waste. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I like it here.